Alright, y'all, the trailer I'm about to show y'all right now, y'all. The movie is on Tubi, y'all. On Tubi. Go check it out, y'all. It's fire, y'all. Y'all don't want to miss out on this one.
The scanner, so I went to the scene myself. I needed to be the one to tell you. Paula, Sam was murdered.
My Sam?
I'm so sorry.
What do we know?
3 dead bodies.
Apparently, no eyewitnesses. Who is this?
It's one of my new girls, Onyx.
I don't give a damn if all she did was look at my damn son. You find her and give me the answers I need.
What exactly are you suggesting here?
Incentivize your detectives working on this case. Pay them, promote them. I don't care what you do.
I was told you needed some work done.
Need to hand whoever smoked my brother.
You and Dallas had nothing?
That goes for anybody involved.
Stop then! You keep an eye on Onyx. You hit up our people, man. We need to know what they know.
Dallas, you said you had my bag.
The man struck gold on the Sam Thornton case. We received an anonymous tip indicating a Richard Harris. You go by Rock.
Gonna be a real family, Rock.
You're already a family.
Looking a little dejected from me.
This is right, cuz.
I did that. You went against me!
Find out who did this to him, because if you don't, I will.
I need you to stay in your lane on this one.
I'm the mayor. Every lane is my lane.
I'm so in love with NESHA, this forever. She a keeper and know she can be a diva. I do whatever to please her. My other half, my equal, it come to her, then I'm lethal. Ain't no DOLCE without NESHA. Lord knows that I need you. Can't get my mind off NESHA. No matter where I go, I got my mind on NESHA. This forever, she a keeper. Ain't no DOLCE without NESHA. Lord knows that I need you for real.
What's up, YouTube? What's up? Damn, Mafia. Yeah, it's your boy, DOLCE, y'all. I gotta make this quick, y'all, because this on a humble right here, y'all. Look, I'm about to go on this bitch right now, and I'm about to put some, what it's called, some baby powder, and NESHA blow dry, y'all. She in there washing her hair right now because her sister about to do it, y'all. This is the perfect time, y'all. I'm about to fuck her up, because yesterday she got me, if y'all don't know, she didn't get me with that little prank yesterday, you feel me? But look, y'all, this about to go even crazier. Watch this, y'all. Y'all just seen what I just did, y'all. I got that baby powder, y'all, and I got that blow dryer right here. This is about to be amazing, y'all. I need y'all to like this video right now, y'all. Stop whatever y'all doing, like this video up, and share this video with family, friends, everybody, because I'm about to fuck her up. Should've got me with no worms in my food, you feel me? But look, watch this, y'all. Put that in there. You feel me? This is about to go crazy. Yo, this is about to go beyond crazy. I'm telling y'all right now. Let me get some more in there. Because I never did no shit like this before, y'all. I never did no shit like this before. Damn, that shit falling out. Damn, that shit falling out. There we go. Put the thing back on there. Off. My shit, my do banger. Y'all, this about to be a banger. I'm telling y'all right now. Let me get my evidence off of here real quick. This about to be a fucking banger. Watch this. Stay tuned. Y'all, my shit.
I'm always in that corner. Number one, get ready for the show. About to blow my hair off.
Your shit good.
You want to blow your hair on me?
You do it. You blow right on her. Your shit grew too.
Not real.
Yeah, it did, girl. It's down your back again.
Dang, it'll be down here no time. Why do you have me so
Get ready, man. That's y'all. I saw you, man.
You deserve me. Yeah. You was talking. I need a hair elastic because you're a stalker.
There you go one.
I understand. Thank you. Thank you.
Just thank you, fuck.
No, you just thinking motherfucker.
But they all got that book bag, you know.
Gang, gang.
Gang, gang.
My mind has to go to school. So sad. Blow dry my hair for me.
You do your own shit. I'm gonna lay down.
I hate blow dry my fucking hair, man. That shit is annoying as fuck.
There's my white teeth there.
Oh yeah.
You got a large, you over a medium now. I'm a little small nigga now, but. The fuck?
What is that?
What are you doing?
What the fuck? What is that? What the fuck?
I don't know what the fuck that is. What the fuck? That's a. Damn!
Why the fuck you do that, Danny?
I ain't do shit.
Why you just do that? Damn, you got the shit. You just saw me fucking wash my motherfucking hair. Like, why the fuck would you do that?
I ain't do shit. I don't know. How you fucked up? You fucked up. What is you biting?
Why would you do that? Oh, now you got your.
Dalmatian in this.
Why the fuck would you fuck up my blow dryer like that? That's not even
I ain't do
funny.
that shit, though.
Look at my fuck. I just washed my hair.
I didn't do this shit, so I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. This ain't my doing. What the fuck is this here? Crack? Cocaine in this
Why the
bitch?
fuck you play so fucking much? That shit corny as fuck.
What's in there? That ain't got shit to do with me.
Now you about to rewash my hair.
You about to rewash shit.
And you about to clean it. I can't
half face, half body.
I can't even wet this. Like, what the fuck? Why would you do that?
Stop what is you doing?
Damn, play too fucking much. Because why the fuck would you play like that? This ain't no fuck. Look at my hair. Look, this don't come on my hair. I'm about to cry. I'm about to get aggravated.
Oh shit, damn. I thought that shit was. What the fuck? That shit burned. What the fuck? That shit burned.
Why the fuck would you do that?
What is good?
Talk. What? Oh, my eye burned. What?
Here.
Oh my
Here.
God.
I'm trying to help you. Fuck. Get that shit off your face.
Danny, I swear to God, stop fucking touching me. I'm about to beat the fuck out of you. Stop playing with me. Damn.
You ain't that mad.
Cause you play too fucking much and say my eye burning.
I didn't do that shit.
You're trying to fucking kill me and shit. What's wrong?
I'm trying to get the shit off your face. That's all I'm trying to
ask
do.
your fucking help. Play too motherfucking much. Like, damn, that shit aggravating as
You got a little bit
fuck.
on me. Got a little bit on me.
I gotta get in a whole fucking shower. Like,
cut my finger.
I swear I don't know where the fuck to start. I'm so fucking aggravated. Then get the fuck out. It's not funny. He my ass. You fucking childish as fuck. The fuck? Like,
you ain't that mad that you fucked up right now.
Why the fuck would I be mad? I just sat there and took almost 15 fucking minutes to watch.
15 minutes, son. You about to cry.
Cause I am.
I got a dick in your throat.
You got the hand out of time. You got one in your ass, bitch. Nah.
Who?
You sound like you got one in your ass.
No.
Nah.
Your mad ass in there, man. Like
It don't matter.
I ain't do it. I don't fuck. You had all this shit cleaned up.
No, you want to clean this up. Like, why? It didn't do itself. My blow dryer wasn't like
Clean this
before.
shit up. You got this shit all over the floor.
That shit corny as
You're about
fuck.
to set shit on the floor thinking that you about to just be all cute and all that extra shit when you got shit all on the floor. The fuck?
How the fuck am I cute? This ain't fucking cute.
They got
What's cute about this?
finger marks on there.
Look like a fucking old ass lady with white ass hair. Like, look at it. Look at this.
At least you smell good.
Look at this. Look how grimy. I don't even use baby powder. Like, no fucking touch me.
I'm trying to get it out.
Don't touch me. You like, get some shampoo and wash my hair. Don't
I'm about to
touch
do shit
me.
for you. What I look like? You know, get some shampoo. Did you get some worms out for me? Did you help me pick worms up? Oh, what's up? Go wash up.
My
Wash up in
fucking
the shower.
face itching like that shit. Look at my fucking glasses. Like, I don't even know what to clean first. I'm aggravated as fuck. Get the
Why you
fuck
just break your
out.
glasses?
Get out.
For what?
Cause I don't want you in here.
I
I'm
can smoke
aggravated.
you. The fuck?
Don't turn it
I'm about to
on.
help. Damn, can I help? The fuck?
Why would you do that?
You lucky I ain't put no
Why
flour in
would
your
you
shit.
do that? Why would you do that?
See, look, them bitches perfectly fine now. Let me wipe them off a little
Why
bit.
would you do that?
Can you move, son? Can you move?
No,
The
because
fuck?
I'm fucking
Can you
up.
move? No. You gonna break your glasses,
I'm about to
move.
put your ass in that tub.
I'm trying to help you with
Why
doing
you do
your
that?
shit.
Why you do that?
I hear you ain't even stronger than me to push me in the tub. I'm trying to help you. Can you move?
Apologize. Apologize. Apologize.
You apologize. Fucking apologize before you prank me all the
You know
time.
what the fuck you did? You just wasted my time. Like, you sat there and literally waited for me to wash my hair. 5.
No, I'm not holding a fork to them ass. Holding a fork and a thumb. You ain't learned in school or something?
No, I didn't.
A thumb is not a finger. So
it's
can you
a
get out?
finger today. You was 5 fingers, 5 toes. So scared. Don't fuck with me in the tub. Stop playing with me.
Oh, shit, I tried to fart. Shit.
You so fucking childish. That shit. Get out. Look at the floor. Like,
look what you doing. You fucking me up.
How you about to clean this up?
Fucking up my little
How you about to clean this up? Because I'm not. I swear to God, I'm not cleaning this shit up. That shit.
What if I walk around like this? You be mad if I walk around like this? Like, don't fucking play with me.
Aggravated, like.
Don't fucking play with me. You look bad as fuck when I walk around like this.
I should beat the fuck out of you with this brush.
Like Steve BJ. Watch out! Damn, you that mad?
I am that mad. Because I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm itching bad stuff all over my motherfucking body. Every time I wash my hair in the fucking shower, it fucking ball up.
Damn, you fucked up.
You think you funny, so you lame as fuck.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
Super fucking lame.
I don't give a fuck. So period ass. I'm ready for whatever now. Feel like this.
Get the fuck out. Be ready for that. Because I don't like you. Don't touch me.
What if I start hitting it like this? Like,
you know my big shit. Damn, shit aggravating as fuck.
I lose a lot of weight.
Stop talking to me.
I did lose though.
Nobody cares.
You care?
I don't.
Well, you don't care because you got acid reflex on your face.
I'm putting acid reflex.
Acid reflex.
Like, how you think that's funny? What if I would have choked on it and died? Like,
I'm saying like, I almost choked on the donut. Did you give me a donut?
Then
Fuck
what?
that. Did you
Then
smack
what?
me with that shit in my sleep or something?
Powder?
Right? That's
No,
what
I
that is,
didn't.
powder.
I just smacked you with powder in your
Or did
sleep.
I smack you with powder? It was one of them pranks. In Cleveland. Yeah.
You wasn't asleep.
But I was somewhere.
You was driving.
Well, I was dead after you
It
smacked
don't
me.
matter. I smacked you right here. I didn't put it all in your fucking hair and all over
It
your
don't matter. Shit was all up everywhere. And I got revenge. You
All
did
right.
give me a powder donut before with powder, baby powder in it. And I ate the bitch. It was fucked up for days.
Nobody told you to be fat and
You got me fucked up. You got me fucked up. You got me fucked up. The fuck? Cause you fucked up.
You done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Oh,
you
you
fucked
done?
up. What's some more?
Alright. Daddy, come on, man. Don't do that, please.
I think I'm about to just spray it anywhere, like in the air, like.
You had that by yourself.
No, you was a goof. You was a goof.
Ignorant as fuck. Why the fuck would you do some shit like
Hey,
that?
you fucked up right now.
Why would you do
Watch
that?
out, damn.
Why would
You
you
look
do
bitch for real.
that? Why would you do that?
Watch out, move that.
To fuck you up.
Nobody fuck me up now, you can move that.
Just apologize.
No, I apologize.
Well,
Nobody apologize for shit I ain't do. For shit I ain't do.
who did it?
You did the shit.
Who
Can
did?
you move?
Who
Can I get out?
The company did that?
You.
It was a malfunction for the
You know
road
it's a prank anyway.
It was a malfunction?
You know it's a prank anyway.
And then I said you fucking did it.
It's a prank.
Duh,
so it don't
no
matter.
shit. Who else gonna fucking
Camera
do it?
right here.
Who else gonna do it?
The camera right here.
I don't give a fuck.
It came like that.
No, the fuck it did not.
It came like that. They
No,
said,
it did not.
They said this is an automatic prank tool. So
No, it ain't. Am I
It is. I got that from a prank store.
That shit, no. You didn't buy my fucking blow dryer. Shut the fuck up. Damn.
Yo, what the fuck is that?
Sounded dumb as fuck like you a big ass liar. Just shut
I'm
up.
a big ass liar.
Like, look at this shit. I'm like,
How you that mad?
I'm
Because I
like,
just did
get
some
the fuck out. It's done. You did it. You do it. You suck it. Okay, well, stop fucking playing with me.
What's wrong with your little doodle face
Stop going with your boy ass. I don't even know what the fuck to do.
Look, doodle, look, doodle.
You about to wash my hair,
Look,
so
doodle
let's
face
go.
head out.
Shampoo, let's go.
We're good. Oh, oh shit, I ain't know shit. I thought, didn't you say shampoo?
Stop playing
You
with
said get the shampoo, ain't that
Stop playing with
shampoo?
me, Danny. Stop playing with me. Like, look what the fuck are you doing? You childish fucking
What the
waste of
fuck?
my shit. This ain't no cheap ass shampoo.
Fuck, I
Stop
just nut on
playing
it.
with me. Man, you damn, you was
Here, let me just put this.
Don't fucking touch me.
What,
Don't
put it in your
touch
hair?
me. Don't touch me. I don't want you to touch do shit.
Just
I
on
don't
my hands now.
No, I do it myself.
This is a prank though.
No shit.
This is a prank, bro.
And then you're gonna use my rag. Like, what the fuck wrong with you?
With the rag.
How you about to clean on my blood guard though?
Oh, I'm not about to clean it up. This is gonna, you're just gonna have to use it until it's gone, like the white shit gone.
You sound dumb as fuck.
How stop doing fuck? What? Should have pranked me yesterday. Should have pranked me every day.
You so fucking
The fuck? You better come with a banger then, son. You better come with a banger or something.
Damn.
That's more? Don't wet that because you wet it and you plug it up, you're gonna get electrocuted like a dumbass kid.
No.
Tell you right now. Let me
Okay,
see.
so why would you do that like a dumbass kid? Like you don't think before you
That
act.
bitch still work though, that bitch still some good. Let me plug it up.
This shit just falling out. Like how much the fuck did you put in here?
I don't know how much I put in that bitch, but I put. Damn!
That shit childish as fuck.
Damn!
Look at that shit. It's not fun. It's dumb.
It's done. You might not use it.
Shut the fuck up.
You shut the fuck up. The fuck? You better use your little Pantene.
Get off of me.
You that mad like that over nothing?
Nah, shit. What if I wasn't using my brother? I should have used Brandy. Your shit was
already out.
It don't matter. I said I should have.
Well, you should wasn't that bitch was gonna get stuff in it too.
You wouldn't know.
I was caught you on the humble. Just say I.
It don't matter. If you were fuck you, childish as fuck.
Just say Team
No,
DolceAndNesha.
I'm not. Fuck Team DolceAndNesha.
Just say Team DolceAndNesha right now.
Fuck Team DolceAndNesha. Fuck, I was gonna do wash my hair. I'm not about to
say don't say fuck Team DolceAndNesha. Say Team DolceAndNesha.
Fuck Team DolceAndNesha. Move on.
Team DolceAndNesha. Team DolceAndNesha. Say Team DolceAndNesha.
Fuck off me, nigga. Like you was.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to end this video right now. I just pranked y'all girl, Team NESHA. Y'all already know what it is, y'all. Snap it up in the comments.
Shut the fuck up.
Don't play with me like that.
Childish ass. Come on, wash my hair. You about to wash my hair.
You about to wash shit.
Yes, you are.
You about to wash shit of yours.
You about to clean the bathroom up. You are so childish. That don't make sense.
Shit, I'm working out.
I don't even feel like going like out there.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to end this video right here. Y'all already know what it is. Team DolceAndNesha in the building.
That's exactly your ass.
Spam it up in the comments.
Don't spam shit.
Spam it up in the comments and say Team DolceAndNesha. And like this video. Alright, y'all, gang.